can barely breathe. It's just a gas cloud floating above me. It's like Rappelina gas cloud. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh.
A few moments earlier.
But then one day something really weird happened.
But oh, she was floating. Wow, Rappelina is floating above the water. That is really weird. Wow. Hey, Rappelina. Hello.
She's still hibernating.
Oh, okay.
She's done hibernating.
How do we wake her out of it, or wake her up out of it? Hey, Rappelina. Hey, hello.
That's so weird.
That is very strange. Rappelina, really very concerned. Oh. Oh. Oh, I am down for the count on that one. That was really stinky. That was really very stinky one right there. Somebody get me some fresh air. Open up a window or something. I gotta get some fresh air. That's fresh water. I need fresh air. I can barely breathe. It's just a gas cloud floating above me. It's like Rappelina gas cloud. Oh no. Oh. 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 Man, that is just really giving me. Wow. That is making me very.